We will take this problem from three-dimensional geometry which has been asked in JEE Advanced 2020. The question says, let alpha, beta, gamma, delta be the real numbers such that alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is not equal to 0 and alpha plus gamma is equal to 1. Suppose the point 3, 2, minus 1 is the mirror image of the point 1, 0, minus 1 with respect to the plane alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z is equal to delta, then which of the following statements are true? The options which are given to us are in terms of alpha, beta, gamma and delta, and this given equation of the plane is also expressed in terms of alpha, beta, gamma and delta. That means if we can find out the equation of this plane, automatically our four options can easily be verified. Now to get the equation of the plane, what information which has been given to us is that this point 3, 2, minus 1 is the mirror image of the point 1, 0, minus 1. That means there is a point, say 1, 0, minus 1. Let us assume that this point is A. Now if I take this plane which is given to me like this, and the mirror image of this point about this plane, if I take, say, this is the point B which is having the coordinate as 3, 2, minus 1. Okay, the moment I say that the mirror image of, say, any point A is the point B, it gives us two information. The first thing is that this line AB is perpendicular to this plane. Okay, because the mirror image of A about this plane B, is the point B. The second information which we can obtain is the midpoint of the line AB is the point which lie on the plane. Now for getting the equation of plane, we need the same information. What we need is the direction ratio of normal to the plane, that means the direction ratio of AB, and the coordinate of any point which lies on the plane, which in this case would be the midpoint of the line AB. So what we can say is that the direction ratio of the normal to this plane would be given by the direction ratio of the line AB, which is difference in the x coordinate, say 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2, difference in y coordinate which is 2 minus 0 that is 2, and the difference in the z coordinate which is minus 1 plus 1 which is 0. This would be the direction ratio of the normal to the plane. Secondly, we can find out the midpoint of the line segment AB which would lie on the plane. So that will be given by 3 plus 1 upon 2 that is 2, 2 plus 0 upon 2 which is 1, and minus 1 upon 2 which is minus of 1. And the equation of any plane which is having the direction ratio of the normal as ABC and which is passing through the point x1, y1, z1 is given by A multiplied by x minus x1 plus B multiplied by y minus y1 plus C multiplied by z minus z1 is equal to 0. This would be the equation of such plane. Now here what we have is ABC. In place of that I can substitute 2, 0 and x1, z1 is this point which is passing through the plane. So here I can easily write the equation of the plane as 2 multiplied by x minus 2 plus 2 multiplied by y minus 1 plus 0 multiplied by z minus 1, that is z plus 1 equal to 0. Now what I can do is I can just simplify this equation. So I get x, I have cancelled 2 in both the sides, and then I have written x plus y and coefficient of z is 0 and this is minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, goes on to the right side, it will become plus 3. Okay, now here what we get is the equation of the plane, that is what we need here. This equation can be compared with this equation, and also what I can say is the coefficient of z in this equation is 0. Here the coefficient of z is gamma, so obviously our value of gamma is equal to 0. Secondly, alpha plus gamma equal to 1 is given to us. That means alpha plus 0 is equal to 1, that is alpha is equal to 1. So we got the value of alpha also. Now if I compare the two equations, alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z is equal to delta and x plus y plus 0 into z is equal to 3, what I get is alpha divided by 1 is equal to beta divided by 1 is equal to gamma divided by 0 is equal to delta divided by 3. So what we get from here is alpha is equal to 1 we already got, so beta upon 1 is equal to 1. So this gives us beta is equal to 1 and gamma is equal to 0 we already got, and delta will be equal to 3, delta equal to 3. So that is what we need. Now we just have to compare it with the given option. So alpha plus beta, so alpha plus beta here is alpha is 3, alpha is 1 and beta is 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2, which is matching with the first option. Then delta minus gamma, our delta is equal to 3 and gamma is equal to 0. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3, which is again matching with the second option. So second option is also correct. Then delta minus beta, here delta is equal to 3 and beta is equal to delta plus beta, so beta is equal to 1, so 3 plus 1 equal to 4, so which is matching with the third option. So third option is also correct. Lastly, alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 0, that is 2, which is not equal to delta because delta is equal to 3. So the last option is not correct. So finally we have the option A, option B and option C are the correct answer. So this way we can easily solve this question.